Bitcoin is slowing down with its dump on this fine Sunday, and right now everybody is going to ask themselves the question, of course, what is Bitcoin going to do next week? Are we still going to see lower levels, or are we going to see some form of a bounce? And in today's video, I want to talk about that, guys. I want to share my opinion of what I think is going to happen with Bitcoin, and whenever I think that correction is over. So guys, let's jump straight into it. Of course, before we are zooming in, make sure to drop a thumbs up, subscribe if you are new, and yeah, share this video with your friends, as that really helps to spread this important message. Well, like we said in the previous videos, guys, that Bitcoin were to come down right here from the resistance, we still could see a bounce in the shorter term time frame. However, I still do believe that this drop in Bitcoin is not over yet, and I got multiple reasons for that. We got a bearish divergence on Orion's belt right here. We got bearish divergences in the relative strength index, and right now we broke below the middle of the channel, as you can see right here. And normally when you break the middle of the channel, you at least visit the bottom of the channel. And that is also, if you break above the middle of the channel, you at least visit the top of the channel. So that we are seeing right here as well. Top is acting as resistance. We break, actually the middle is acting as resistance. We break above that. We touch the top sooner or later, right? Before coming back down. Then when breaking the middle of the channel, we come and touch the bottom. We break the middle of the channel, we come and touch the top. And so far we broke the middle of the channel. I don't think that we can get a significant release breaking back above the middle of the channel before we actually have touched the bottom. As you guys know, I'm watching a lot of things. This is going to be a very important chart, which actually shows a little bit bullishness right now. Why is that, you ask me? Well, that is because of the following. We have an uptrend in the relative strength index, but we are touching support, which actually ignited this bounce. It already was showing us in the momentum indicators that the bearish momentum is running out of stream and that bullish momentum might step in. However, right now we touched this level almost, which could be former support turning into resistance, and we do see something like a hidden bearish divergence where we have a higher high on the relative strength index because this high is higher than this high, and we actually so far have a lower high in the chart. So this could actually be really good, doing something like this, coming down with that divergence, breaking that support, and then eventually going to see lower levels, which means the Bitcoin price were to go up. However, these are early signs. Nothing is confirmed yet. I think the most important confirmation right here is wait till we break that uptrend of support in the relative strength index. Then you can actually be quite sure that Bitcoin is going on another rally. So far, I'm going to be still slightly cautious because we're just seeing this scenario unfold, but we don't see it yet confirmed. Then when we look at the this chart, this is the Bitcoin cycle chart basically. Then we also coming closer to that cycle low at the beginning of March. So that is also something that is a little bit running in my mind. Why I wouldn't like to long Bitcoin at these levels. I would prefer to wait until we have that cycle low and then check for a nice long position. We are going to share that long position over on WhaleAlerts. So if you are interested to long Bitcoin as well during this uptrend, make sure to join WhaleAlerts by joining bybit with the affiliate link down below and submitting your bybit user ID over on the channel. Let's have a look at whaleportal, guys, if we are seeing any significant signals. Bitcoin balance on exchanges is doing okay. The average funding fee is slightly coming down. That would also strengthen the scenario for a more bullish case. The premium index is negative, also strengthening the bullish case basically. And we are seeing the taker buy sell ratio going up right here, also strengthening the bullish case. So when we are looking at whaleportal right now, it does look that Bitcoin wants to go up right here, maybe for some relief, and maybe this was the low. That is definitely possible, and that we are going to go up right here. That Bitcoin is just looking extremely bullish. I just think when you look at terms of probability, risk reward ratio, I always or often look for ideal situations. And right now, I don't think there is a ideal situation where I can say like, okay, I know for a 90 or 80% certainty that this and this will play out. Like for example, right here, we could say with a high degree of certainty, almost 90% certainty, maybe 80, that Bitcoin will go up. Why? Because the price was going up while the funding rates were positive. We haven't seen that in 1 year time, because that shows us that market conditions are changing. So yeah, guys, sometimes you can be very sure about things. Right now, things look bullish. Like I said, we got that hidden bullish. Whoa, we got that hidden bullish divergence over right here. If we break that uptrend in the relative strength index, that would definitely be more bullish and all. However, I don't see yet the perfect storm for a nice setup to enter big trades, but that will come very soon, especially with the 60-day cycle low, depending where Bitcoin is going to be right there. We are going to share that trade over on WhaleAlerts as well. So if you are interested in joining that, make sure to do so. You go to whaleportal.com, you click right here on WhaleAlerts. Then you can click on this image, join Bybit, and you gotta have a deposit of minimum of $100. Can be any token that you want. Just with a US dollar equivalent of $100. So guys, if you are interested in that, join WhaleAlerts. If you want to learn more about WhalePortal, go to the YouTube channel from WhalePortal and watch every single video published over there. Very, very important. Then I want to thank you all for watching, guys, and I want to wish every single one of you a beautiful Sunday, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.